Oh, you're friendly. He's so friendly. He only bites men. Hi. Come on. Come on over here. Come on over here. Good boy. Good boy. You're friendly. Hello. 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 Handsome. Handsome. Hello. You want to come over here? Come on over here. I can see you better. Oh, there you are. Good boy. Hello, hello. Oh, you happy bird. He's a model. He's a parrot. He's a big parrot. Look at the size of him. Hi. Oh, okay. Hi. Hi. Let me pet your head. Pet your head. Okay. He doesn't bite. He bites men. He's something else. Hello. Hello. Hi. 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 Hi, good boy. Hello. Do you have a name? What's your name? What is your name? I don't know that. You're dancing for me. Oh my goodness. He's so trained. He's partial to women. He's flirting. Okay, baby. Bye-bye. 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 You want to come home with me? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Touch him anywhere you want to. He doesn't bite. That's a miracle. The sign says he bites. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Says, I bite. Do not put hands on cage. Oh, we did a turnaround, didn't we? Hi. You want me to stay here. You're taking all my time. It's lunchtime. Okay? Time to eat. All right? Good. I'm glad. Bye-bye.